man. Oh snap, I'm about to miss it. Wait! Okay.
Tony! Why can't you just whoop my head?
I'm going to. You want your hand or your ass?
My freaking
Hold your
hand.
hand out.
It
Get
is.
it out the coat. Get it out the coat. I'm wrapping this.
Ow!
Get it out there. Get it out there. Get it out there. Are you going to touch anything else that ain't yours? You promise. Then you suck that up. You understand what you did was wrong?
I'm out of breath.
You don't do it anymore. Are you alright with this? Let's go.
How's it feel?
It ain't funny for you.
Don't touch me.
Big mouth. It burns.
Good. Well, this has been a first documentary. Nate getting his hand tore up with a hickory switch. Stay tuned for later whippings. Peace.